Hey, Percy, you got Grover? Okay. Miss Jackson, you okay? What's that smell? What? Who's that? I think we need to move a little faster, guys. Come on. Alright, Miss Jackson, where did you say the property line was? Just up ahead of that tree? Okay. There's that smell again. It smells ancient, musty, evil. There's no way. That's names have power. Okay, Percy, here's what you're going to do. You and your mom are going to get Grover to that property line, get him some help. I'm going to buy her some time. I'll be okay. Go! Hey, Big Mac! I'm the one you want, right? Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh! 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 Okay, now I'm mad. Okay. Gotta make sure they get to that property line. That the best you got? I could do this all day.